आह, 2 बन मस्का और कड़क चाय। Cheers।
Okay, alright.
आप लोग देख रहे हैं तेरे गली में 1960 के दशक का बॉम्बे। पुरानी गलियां, पुराने होटल, पुराने कैफे, बन मस्का और बहुत कुछ साथ में।
Only with विजय वर्मा। ये खास बात है तेरे गली में कि हम लोग एसी स्टूडियो में शूट नहीं करेंगे, हम बॉम्बे के रास्तों पे शूट कर रहे हैं। कुर्ता धोती में कुछ अलग कॉन्फिडेंस आया।
काफी सारे रीटेक होते हैं, इतनी हवा में वो अब ना, हाँ वो I would become a Marilyn Monroe here।
पात्रानी मच्छी, मटन बोटी, भेजा कीमा, मटन मसाला फ्राई, चिकन मसाला फ्राई।
Just dip in it, dip a bun in it। Sorry, it sounds so wrong। बहुत जबरदस्त। I'm a Marwari household. I don't eat non-veg at home. When my mom will see me eat this on national television, it will be lovely।
Myself as a Gujarati would not love to eat at home।
या हैदराबाद में अगर आप पले बड़े हो और आपने बिरयानी नहीं खाई, क्या ही किया।
स्कूल टीचर पे कभी क्रश आया है?
हाँ, English teacher।
When was the last time you cried?
I think around 2 days ago in the morning, I felt like I'm crying out of just pure gratitude।
ऐसा कभी टाइम था जब अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं थे?
एक टाइम था कि अकाउंट में और जेब में दोनों में नहीं थे। Me and my father weren't in talking terms after I left home for like 7 years। मैंने सुमड़ी में अप्लाई किया, सुमड़ी में मुझे सीट मिल गई, सुमड़ी में मैंने पैसे जुगाड़ कर लिया और मैं घर से भाग गया।
Everything is fast and easy, just pick and choose. Everything is fast and easy.
हेलो विजय, वेलकम
Hello।
टू कर्ली टेल्स, वेलकम टू तेरे गली में।
you
आपने
so
तो
much।
मुझे चॉप ही दे दिया है, मुझे लगा आप कैरेक्टर में आने वाले थे, इसलिए मैं भी फुल 1960s की मटका क्वीन बन के आई
I
हूँ।
am so sorry, मुझे नहीं पता था। मैं वो फेक मुस्टैच पहन के अगर तुम्हारे साथ खाना खाने निकलता तो मजा नहीं आता मुझे।
पर आप रेडी हो आज ओल्ड स्कूल बॉम्बे घूमना है?
Absolutely, let's
Yeah।
take me and my audience along।
मुझे बॉम्बे की गलियों में घूमना ज्यादा होता है अभी।
यार ज्यादा घूमना नहीं होता है, अपने जुहू की गलियों में घूमता हूँ मैं तो, लेकिन जब भी मौका मिलता है ऐसा तो मैं दोनों हाथों से बटोर लेता हूँ, क्योंकि स्पेशली पुराना बॉम्बे, साउथ बॉम्बे, उसका एक जो कैरेक्टर है, एक जो हेरिटेज है, एक जो की अपनी कहानी है। यहाँ पर बड़े बड़े शायर लोग, बड़े बड़े राइटर्स, बड़े बड़े फिल्म स्टार्स एक टाइम पे यहीं पर बैठते थे, यहीं पर खाते पीते थे। ये सपनों की जगह, सपनों का शहर कहते हैं।
डेफिनेटली।
एंड दिस इज वेयर इट ऑल स्टार्टेड।
हम अभी कोलाबा के फोर्ट एरिया में हैं। आप मुंबई की कौन सी गलियों में ज्यादा घूमना पसंद करते हो?
मेरा इलाका ज्यादातर रहा है अराउंड जुहू, वर्सोवा, 7 बंगला, 4 बंगला। That's where I've always lived in the city। Work took me to the length and breadth of the city। The city is massive।
ऑडिशंस के भी काफी चक्कर लगाए होंगे।
ऑडिशंस के तो कुछ इलाके सेट थे, जैसे आराम नगर एरिया बोलते हैं जिसको, कुछ एक विरादेसाई में कुछ ऑडिशन के सेंटर्स थे। बट उस बात को काफी टाइम हो गया, क्योंकि भाई ने 2019 के बाद में ऑडिशन नहीं दिया है। अभी मैं अमिताभ बच्चन का स्टैंप लग गया, मैं अभी ऑडिशन नहीं देगा।
क्या बात है, फुल बम्बईया स्टाइल है वो। और यही खास बात है तेरे गली में कि हम लोग एसी स्टूडियो में शूट नहीं करेंगे, हम बॉम्बे के रास्तों पे शूट कर रहे हैं। Let's head to Olympia Coffee House।
Look at this, fully enjoying
Baby
life।
cat, you like pet?
Yeah।
Cat lover or dog lover?
Cat lover।
Cat lover। Okay.
I'm exactly like this when I'm not working।
Lazy cat, enjoy
All
the
day।
meal।
किसी की परवाह नहीं, आराम से।
हम अब कोलाबा कॉजवे में हैं, यहाँ पे शॉपिंग की है।
हाँ, यहाँ पर ये लियोपोल्ड में मैंने बहुत टाइम बिताया है, ओलंपिया में मैंने बहुत टाइम बिताया। मटका टीम का हमारा एक हमने महालक्ष्मी रेस कोर्स में शूट किया था, वो खत्म करके यहीं पर आया था पूरा टीम।
हाँ।
ये था डिनर हियर।
You know, a lot of times they say बॉम्बे के लड़के यहाँ पे स्पेशली आते हैं लड़कियाँ को भी पटाने के लिए। आपकी कोई टेक्निक है, आपने किया है?
स्ट्रगलिंग डेज की बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ।
I used to take them to Prithvi Theatre
हाँ।
and make them watch one of the best plays and then give them like a lot of behind the scenes of the play and the writer।
हाँ।
And they'll be like, he knows so much about theatre।
And then did you feed them also after that? Paratha, chai and everything?
हाँ, वहाँ पर
हाँ।
उस टाइम the kitchen kept growing। जब मैं
हाँ।
नया Prithvi Theatre गया था, they used to get only 5-6 items।
Hmm।
The chai was very good। The bun maska there is very good। They have some amazing। अभी तो बहुत elaborate spread बनने लग गया पृथ्वी पे। अंदर चले?
Yes, let's go।
Olympia Coffee House was established in 1918 and is one of Colaba's last surviving old world eateries. It's famous for its keema, authentic Irani breakfast, and even today, it draws people towards its nostalgic taste of Mumbai.
It smells of an old restaurant.
Old
you know?
restaurants. You like coming to such old cafes, Iranian joints?
Yeah, I really like it. It's a culture in Hyderabad as well. Irani Hotel is a massive concept in Hyderabad. It's a place where in Hyderabad you go, get one chai and samosa, and you end up spending 4 hours.
Wow.
And then by the time you finish it, you've had multiple samosas, mirchi, aloo banda, and everything else.
I have
And lot of
explored
conversations.
Hyderabad during the Ramzan time और वो चार मीनार की गलियां में जो खाना मिलता है वहाँ पे, wow.
Yeah,
आपको हैदराबाद का खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है कि मुंबई का?
since we are in Mumbai right now,
No, that your Hyderabad fans will also be upset then.
nothing comes close to Hyderabad ka khana.
So,
It's unbeatable. Bombay has some crazy food and food items, but Hyderabad में जो मुगलई दखनी influence, along with the Andhra South Indian spices, जो उसका एक combination बन के चीजें बनती है ना, that's unparalleled. Nowhere in the country or nowhere in the world you get that kind of spunky flavor. Ah, 2 बन मस्का और कड़क चाय.
आप जब बॉम्बे आई थी तब what was the food situation at that point of time? What did you enjoy eating? Did you want to try a lot of food, or what was it like?
We had limited means, but I would still try. Like I was a big South Indian food junkie, so I would go to Matunga and eat South Indian food because I was to miss Hyderabad ka khana, and the authentic one I used to get in Matunga, Ramashraya, yeah,
Arya
Also
Bhavan.
Arya Bhavan, yeah. And then there was Banana Leaf in Versova where I used to go and eat a lot. And then there is Anand Bhavan, Dakshinayan.
Dakshinayan is in Juhu, yes.
Yeah,
that's
so I
what
used to
I-
go to ISKCON temple, do a little darshan, then go to the Shani temple, do that, and then go eat breakfast at Dakshinayan. That would be like a perfect morning for me. And Prithvi Cafe, of course, I used to keep going there. There was Leaping Windows in Versova, which was a regular joint for me. Chaat places in Seven Bungalows, I've explored all of them.
Let's go. Bun Maska chai.
That's the way to do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. दिल खुश.
दिल खुश. आत्मा की संतुष्टि. Life seems good when you eat bun maska, right?
Very good. Are there these little joys that you still miss after achieving so much stardom now?
No, I make it happen. I'm all up for small joys in life.
You're a proper foodie also.
Not really, but something like this, it's not available at home. So ये जो चीजें घर पे मुझे नहीं मिलती ना, उसके लिए मुझे एक्साइटमेंट होता है. घर पे जो भी चीज बन सकती है, उसके लिए उतना फाइट नहीं होता है मेरे लाइफ में.
अब बॉम्बे कौन से साल में आए थे?
I came to Bombay in 2008. जब मैं आया था ये वर्सोवा घाटकोपर मेट्रो का काम मेरे आंखों के सामने शुरू हुआ था. अभी वो मेट्रो बन गई है. अभी मैं नई जगह पे शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ जुहू में. वहाँ पर
Yeah.
दूसरा मेट्रो का काम चल रहा
I've
है.
seen that house. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
So metro construction and me have been around since 2008.
But when you first came, जो बॉम्बे शहर के बारे में वो बोलते हैं, वो hustle, that रफ्तार, वो आपको महसूस हुई थी?
Yeah, the pace of the city really threw me off. Hyderabad is a very laid-back city. Pune is also fairly laid back, and I wasn't at the institute inside the campus, so it felt like the life is slowed down. And Bombay, I came and I just like everything. और सड़क पे कोई चलता नहीं है यहाँ पर, सब दौड़ते ही हैं.
दौड़ते ही हैं, क्या?
स्टेशन पे कोई खड़े नहीं रहता. Everybody is occupied with doing something or rushing to some place. रात के 12 बजे भी traffic, which is so rare in other cities.
They say, right, that if you can survive in Bombay, you can survive anywhere in the world. Were they welcoming to you?
मैं ऐसे जाके सबको पूछा नहीं कि मुझे वेलकम करो.
नहीं, but ऐसे लोग का हाव भाव से पता चलता है.
यहाँ पर किसी को किसी की पड़ी नहीं है. Nobody wants to interfere with you. Everybody is doing their own thing. Usually क्या है, घर लेने के लिए सब झूठ बोलते थे कि मैं साउंड इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं प्रोडक्शन डिज़ाइन करता हूँ, मैं आर्ट डेकोरेटर हूँ, मैं राइटर हूँ. ये अपार्टमेंट मिलता नहीं था एक्टर को, तो ऐसे ऐसे छुप छुप के अपनी बिल्डिंग में रहते थे हम लोग. और ऐसे कुछ रिलीज होता था तो डर लगता था कि अरे लैंडलॉर्ड नहीं देख ले.
अभी तो आप फैंसी जूहू बॉय बन गए हो, but where were you first living when you came to Bombay?
I used to stay in this place called Veera Desai Road in a small CHS, like a building, in a small one-room kitchen apartment, one room and a kitchen. We used to share, two of us, me and my friend. The rent was around 7,000 rupees, and I used to pay 3,500. He used to pay 3,500. So that was the beginning, but we were very happy. We were just happy that we have a room. I think the first couple of years, I just remember being sick a lot.
Why? Sick? homesick?
I think I was homesick, and I was also like,
Okay.
I didn't have work, didn't have money, and I didn't have a lot of hope because the city tests you. The city makes you feel you're not ready for it, and everybody's Bombay जो भी आता है वो आता है अपनी किस्मत पे बाजी लगाने के लिए. You can't get it right immediately. It takes you a while to understand the city and for the city to embrace you. But 2 साल के बाद में भाई मजे आ गए.
How much was your struggle period like in Bombay, and who were some people that you were actually very close to? जो आपका बोलते हैं support system, they were pillars.
Yeah,
Because you need that.
very good question. Let me finish this.
Yes. नहीं आप खाओ please. Our main agenda
Good
is
question.
to feed you.
So I remember, I was blessed because a batch of 20 actors who studied with me at the Film Institute in Pune, they all moved to Bombay around the same time. So I had a close-knit set of solid friends who were strong anchors to each other.
Okay.
My batch was also like one of the most striking batch, great individuals and fine actors. And some of them have made strong marks in the industry already, and some of them are just waiting for that opportunity to make the mark. They were my everything, and I remember not feeling low because I just had like great friends. Otherwise, if I had come to this city without family, without friends, and without work, it would have been so much more difficult. And there are people who do this. There are
Yeah.
people who just come with nobody. And I salute those people. That's some other courage and some other conviction.
और यहाँ पे हमने इंजॉय किया उनका भेजा कीमा एंड फेमस ईरानी पाव, मटन मसाला फ्राई, चिकन फ्राई और चिकन सीख बिरयानी.
We just dip in it. Dip our bun in it. Sorry. It sounds so wrong.
Everything is allowed with food. Nothing will be taken in the wrong way.
Food porn. बहुत जबरदस्त. Let's try this one now.
I'm sure you'll be eating all this after quite some time.
You know,
huh?
like I'm a Marwari household, and
Yeah.
we don't eat non-veg at home. So when my mom will see me eat this on national television, it will be lovely.
So you're allowed to cook non-veg at home or
we
no?
don't.
No, but you're just allowed to eat outside.
I not allowed.
Even I would consider myself as a Gujarati, we're not allowed to eat at home.
Yeah.
घर के बाहर मम्मी ने बोला है जो करना है करो.
The thing is, हैदराबाद में अगर आप पले बड़े हो और आपने बिरयानी नहीं खाई,
तो
क्या ही किया?
So speaking of family, were they happy
हाँ.
when you told them that you wanted to become an actor, you're going to Bombay?
No, my family wasn't aware of my Bombay plans. They were aware of my FTI Pune plans, but I knew it that once I'm done with the course, I will move to Bombay. And it was an eventuality I fell, and I think anyway, me and my father weren't in talking terms when I left home. After I left home for like 7 years, so I did whatever I had to do on my own, and I didn't really wait or seek their approval. That's how you do it. नहीं तो नहीं करने देंगे.
But they were completely not aware of your acting career at that
I was doing
time.
stage in Hyderabad, so my mum and my sister knew because my pictures would come in newspapers sometime when I was doing a play. And my father thought I was just like doing this for like fun. He didn't think that I would take this as a career. So मैंने सुमड़ी में अप्लाई किया. सुमड़ी में मुझे सीट मिल गई. सुमड़ी में मैंने पैसे जुगाड़ कर लिया और मैं घर से भाग गया.
Wow. और बॉम्बे अभी सपनों का शहर कहलाता है.
Correct.
आपके सपने पूरे हुए अभी?
Yeah, I mean, so many of my dreams have come true working with some of the best talents out here, headlining some of the biggest shows we have, getting so much love and respect from the fraternity and from media and from fans. It's just, I feel very blessed, to be very honest. My belly is full, my heart is as well.
But if you weren't an actor, what would you be? Deep thought. Well, if that was the plan always.
I tried other things and I was I was either terrible at them or I was miserable while doing them.
You were
But this
also a
don't-
salesperson
I
where you
did.
made 2,000-3,000 rupees a week.
Yeah.
But you realized that
I
was
tried
not-
sales, I tried marketing, I tried events, I tried software, I tried call center. And briefly, I wanted to become a tattoo artist also. So, but I couldn't pursue any of them. I think my calling was this, and it took me some time to figure it. But when it happened, it felt like it clicked.
A lot of confessions that are coming around. So I'm going to be giving you some confessions and आपको सही सही जवाब देना है.
जी जरूर.
बचपन में मम्मी पापा के पर्स से कभी पैसे चुराए हैं?
पापा की जेब से चुराया.
किस लिए?
बस एक्सेस था.
Like what would you spend it on?
In my teens I used to be bigger on window shopping. So
बस देख के दिल खुश हो जाता था.
हाँ, देखना और ट्राई करना. फोकट में है ना, किसको कौन बोल लेगा, जाके सब ट्राई कर लेने का. उस टाइम पे कैमरे भी नहीं थे, तो हर चीज मिरर के सामने खड़े होके.
हाँ.
And the salesman then started to kind of recognize, ये आता है कपड़े ट्राई करके चला जाता है, लेता कुछ नहीं है. Then I'd find another store, वहाँ जाके ट्राई करता था. और बहुत कुछ अच्छा लग गया था तो खरीद लेता था. I used to test each of it. अगर ये मेरा है तो वापस आएगा मेरे पास टाइप्स.
ओके. स्कूल टीचर पे कभी क्रश आया है?
हाँ, नाम नहीं बोलूंगा बट नाम आ ही गया था मुंह पे.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट?
इंग्लिश टीचर.
Everybody has a crush on their English teacher only. I don't know why. It's like a very boy thing.
I think we just like, maybe we just like a teacher who
That
knows
you-
English.
Okay.
I studied in a was English medium school, so called, but none of the teachers spoke English like it is meant to be. What you doing, rascal?
That's how it was.
Yeah.
What was your school's name?
I'm not telling my school name now after this. My
I'm
first school
sure
was
a
a
lot
Hindi
of your
medium.
batchmates watching this will relate to this
My
as
first
well.
my first school till about 4th standard was apparently English medium, but I don't remember even one word of English that I heard in that school. I was still
हाँ.
there till 4th standard. It was called Vande Mataram Bal Vatika.
Wow, बहुत ही भारी नाम है.
एकदम मारवाड़ी स्कूल.
स्कूल. कितनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स रह चुकी है?
स्कूल में एक भी नहीं. बात ही नहीं करते थे, उस तरफ देखते भी नहीं थे, शर्म आती थी बहुत.
But how did you get so confident then?
I'm
And how
not.
did your English also improve so much?
One of the first girlfriends, she introduced me to the concept of speaking right English. She was the one who corrected when I said I didn't went there. So she said it's didn't, नहीं didn't, went नहीं, go. मैंने कहा बाय. कह रहा पास्ट टेंस में कुछ होता है, उसने धीरे धीरे करके मुझे समझाया.
कोई कोस्टार पे दिल आया है?
हाँ आया था. We were together also.
ऐसा कभी टाइम था जब जेब में या अकाउंट में पैसे नहीं थे?
There were times like that. अकाउंट में तो कम ही होते थे, but एक टाइम था कि अकाउंट में और जेब में दोनों में नहीं थे. Around 2009. Yeah, after like a year and a half of staying in Bombay.
A point where you felt like one day you will buy something without checking the price tag.
It was always like that thing, like even looking at the menu, I used to look at the price. When booking movie tickets, I used to be like, go for morning shows because they're cheaper. I'm like, I wish I could just go for any show I want and get any seat I want and eat anything I want.
Anything, yeah. How does it feel now? I'm
feels
sure
good.
it's like a big flex.
Feels good. I feel like money brings not just, it buys you time, it buys you space, it buys you freedom. I mean, it doesn't get you everything, but these are very key components that comes
Yeah.
with money.
Have you ever rejected a part because of a director or a co-star or any other reason?
Yeah, I mean, I consider all these things, what the script is, what the role is, who's the director, who's the maker. If I feel like this story is not a right fit for me, I don't do it. If this story is not a right fit for somebody else also, I try to kind of understand why they're doing this. So yeah, some factors are there, but I've said no, of course, because of doing it with a certain director or a certain co-actor.
किसी को impress करने के चक्कर में खुद ही बैंड बज गई?
नहीं.
बॉम्बे में ऐसा बहुत होता है. Everybody is like trying people pleasing, trying to impress someone or the other for work, wherever they are going.
नहीं, बैंड नहीं बजी. मतलब yeah, I've got rejected a few times for not just for work, for like coming here as an aspiring actor. Rejection is part of your game, part of your hustle, and that never ends. Like there are certain times you want to do certain kind of films and they don't come to you. So even that's not a rejection, but it's some kind of a restriction.
What actually broke you the most in the city? Was it like rent, rejections, loneliness?
Rejections were tough, but I immediately moved away from playing that game, going for auditions, or I stopped doing all of that and I started doing theatre because that was more fulfilling for me. And I was like, if people had to discover me, they'll discover me. I don't want to be going out there every day trying for things and hearing a no everywhere. So I then started to kind of doing my own thing. So stage gave me a refuge at that time.
When was the last time you cried?
I think around 2 days ago in the morning, I was sitting and meditating and I just felt like great. And this was one of those really good occasion where I felt like I'm crying out of just pure gratitude of things falling in place and things just feeling right. It doesn't really happen very often.
खुशी के आंसू.
खुशी and just like gratitude के आंसू.
विजय, आपने काफी सारे अच्छे सवाल के जवाब दे दिए हैं एंड इट कॉल्स फॉर अ ट्रीट, बट आई फील लाइक ट्रीट यहाँ पे नहीं, हमारे नेक्स्ट लोकेशन पे
Next.
जाके एंजॉय करें.
Let's do that.
Let's go. It's actually one of your favorite desserts.
You know my favorite dessert?
I think so. I don't know. लास्ट कब आए थे फोर्थ एरिया?
इसी मटका किंग के प्रमोशन के लिए आया था. We did a campaign where we had a lot of matka men across
Yeah.
different parts of the city. So I was shooting exactly at that Asiatic Library. I was here for another dinner. Like I was shooting close by. Then I went to this really nice Lebanese place named
Okay, I was just about to ask you, do you enjoy like exploring the food scene of Bombay? as
Kala
well?
Ghoda के आसपास.
Yeah.
There are some
बहुत सारी-
crazy
बहुत सारी
joints, like
restaurants.
crazy food joints, and they're really good designer stores as well, and
Yeah.
like small artifact shop and local artists, and it's a very eclectic place, that whole Kala Ghoda circle.
Yeah.
Have you hung out there?
Of course, yeah. I've been a South Bombay girlie as well. 5 years
Oh.
I was in HR college. So
Ah.
because of that, बहुत सारा time यहाँ पे spend भी किया है. And I also wanted to ask you, your fashion sense, I'm sure a lot of people have told you, is amazing.
Thank you
तो
so
वो
much.
कुर्ता धोती में कुछ अलग confidence आया?
यार वो एक तो इतना I think it's a summer attire for this year. It just Indian attire has something that works so well for Indians and for our weather conditions. White kurta, which is reminiscent of the Marathi dabba walas that you see in Bombay.
Yeah.
The 3 button ka slightly short kurta, and we use a little drape, which is in the south they call it mundu, or in the north they call it lungi, which is so airy and breezy. Mocambo,
Yes.
Khushua.
Mocambo Cafe was once a dance bar and welcomed the bustling gambling crowd of Bombay. It still resembles the post-colonial Bombay dining culture and is fondly loved by the who's who of the city for its multi-diverse menu. But today we tried their classic Parsi dishes, Pathrani Machi, mutton boti, chicken cutlet and Vijay's favorite caramel custard.
Pathrani Machi,
Yes.
This is your Parsi?
Parsi, typical Parsi.
I love it. There's a character in our series played by Kritika Kamra, plays a very elite Parsi.
आपको खाना बनाना आता है? बॉम्बे में इतने दिन.
बॉम्बे में मैंने कम ही बनाया है.
अच्छा.
But I had learned in Hyderabad when I was growing up. I know how to make decent dal chawal, sambar chawal. I can make atta and roti, paratha and gol phulka also. And they're pretty gol, huh? They're not like taking shapes of other continents.
So you've been quite a foodie. What are you saying?
I think I am. I deny myself that.
But do you like end up following a strict diet as well?
No, I don't. I just enjoy eating ghar ka khana, and I don't like deciding what I want to eat. So I
Okay.
just like food being served to me. I'm not
Very picky, but
I'm not picky and finicky about it. But by now, the cook and my people at home, they figure out what I like, so they just keep rotating the same stuff again and again. I don't complain at all. I eat करेले की
सब
सब्जी.
बोरिंग खाना ही खाते हैं हर रोज. Do they ever complain?
हाँ, वो लोग अपना पार्टी वाला खाना बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
फिर मैं उनके खाने में से भी खाता हूँ. What is this?
This is the chicken cutlet. You want to open the Pathrani Machi. But what does a cheat meal look like for you? Or nothing?
I like pizzas and fries.
Fries.
Those are like my favorite kinds of cheat meal. I'm not a big burger lover. Enjoy pizza more and unloaded. Okay, there's a lot of patra here.
Too many layers.
Ooh, we finally have. My
This
God,
is one
I
of
can
their
already
speciality,
smell it.
Pathrani Machi. All of these are actually their hot sellers.
You want to try that?
Yeah.
I know why.
Yeah.
Now I know why. It's so good. It's
Maza
makhan.
aaya?
It just melts in your mouth.
So let's see how much of a Mumbaikar are you, considering आपने ये सारी चीजें try की है. You spent a lot of time in Bombay also. And these are some situations जो बॉम्बे के लोगों ने भी किया है और बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट भी करते आए हैं.
Okay.
And you have to tell us whether you've done it or not. मुंबई के लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल किया है.
हाँ किया है.
How was that? कौन सा स्टेशन?
Chaotic.
Yeah.
If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a plan in the place, and if you don't know which train to take, slow or fast, I got off in Malad thinking I'm getting off at Andheri because Andheri में उतरने नहीं दिया मुझे. And then I figured out it's a fast train, so next station is straight Malad.
My God, it's not for the light-hearted. That's
It's not
for
for
sure.
that. It will immediately like आप जितना भी आप वो पैम्परिंग करके माँ बाप ने बड़ा किया रहेगा घर पे, बॉम्बे में लोकल में डाल दो सुधर जाएगा वो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. मरीन ड्राइव पे रोमांटिक वॉक.
किया है.
बारिश के मौसम में वड़ा पाव भजिया के लिए निकल पड़े हो
सब.
like travel somewhere far
There are
like
some really
Khandala,
cool-
Lonavala.
I've done Lonavala and Panchgani and all such. And every time I'm on the highway, I look for vada pav joints. But vada pav has been part of anybody who's in the film industry has to have vada pav as part of the menu because shoot pe vada pav is like a constant thing. FTI mein when I was studying in Pune, vada pav was like that was the only luxury all the actors had. ये student films होती थी छोटी सी budget में कुछ होता नहीं था तो vada pav खाओ काम करो. Vada pav has been significant part of our lives.
Gateway of India पे सेल्फी
अभी खिंचवाई है कुछ दिन पहले.
अच्छा.
I was shooting there and my nieces were with me, so they wanted to take a picture, so I went and joined them.
और फिर ताज में जाके खाना खाया
I've not been inside Taj Mahal Hotel. I don't know how. I don't know how it never happened. Also, it's South Bombay. It's just like unless it's work, I don't ever go down there.
the lobby area of Taj when you enter you feel like you're going back all the
Yeah.
way to history
Yeah,
from
I've been inside.
Barack
I've
Obama
not had-
से prime
yeah.
ministers everybody की posters you literally feel like you're walking in a museum
Yeah, I've been there for events and stuff, but I never stayed there and never went to the restaurant to eat.
restaurants मुंबई की BST बस से आपने डबल डेकर बस में ट्रैवल किया है
No. I did Mumbai Darshan when I was a tourist many years ago, and I did the double like a bus then. But ever since I've moved to the city, नहीं कर पाया.
मन्नत और गैलेक्सी अपार्टमेंस के लिए स्पेसिफिक टूर सेट की है
स्पेसिफिक टूर नहीं है, बट अभी भी मन्नत के सामने से गुजरता हूँ तो इसे नजर जाती है.
I'm sure you've done this लोखंडवाला मार्केट में स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग
Done it.
ट्रैफिक हवलदार को घूस दी है
Not in Mumbai,
हाँ
but I've done it in Pune and Hyderabad many times.
गणपति विसर्जन पे सड़कों पे नाचे हो
Yeah.
Yeah.
गणपति विसर्जन पे गया 2011 में जब हम वर्ल्ड कप जीते थे तब किया था. अभी पिछले जो बड़ा वर्ल्ड कप होता है उसमें भी सड़कों पर उतर के हम लोग नाचे.
Do you gamble in real life और किया है कभी
नहीं, मैं पत्ते खेलता हूँ मेरे दोस्तों के साथ. We have this 4-5 boys with we play this game called Mindy Court, which is a very
Mindy Court, yeah.
You know about this game?
Yeah. I mean, I've not played it, but
So yeah, we played that, but I've never put money in my in the game because the game is so fascinating. It doesn't really require money. Although the best I would say is I've played pool, snooker with bunch of other college kids, and they challenged me one day. This is like losers to pay. खेलेगा मेरे साथ? मैंने कहा खेलेगा. Then I won the match and he paid this thing.
Before we let you go, Vijay, we'll just quickly play Matka Truth Bombs. Biggest risk you've taken in your life?
Biggest risk I've taken in my life is to leave my house and try and follow this hunch that I had that I should become an actor and eventually becoming one and finding success.
One habit no one knows about you.
Sometimes I talk to myself loud,
Wow.
especially when I'm
But
thinking of food. So I'll be watching TV, I'm like, कुछ खाना चाहिए.
do you
So I
get,
say that out loud and I get up and.
But you get hangry. And that's
I
the
get
new
hangry.
thing. Yeah,
I get
that's the
hangry.
word.
But a lot of people know about that.
Best compliment you've received so far?
Somebody just recently told me if it has Vijay Varma in it, I'm watching.
Wow. A role that changed you?
The course of my life was Gully Boy, but a role that changed me is Matka Ki. Because it's such an interesting character, and I get to play like 8 episodes of journey of this character, and one of a kind gentleman that I portrayed. I think people will realize this maybe after they've seen it, but it is genuinely one of those, larger than life characters.
One thing you truly love and enjoy about being famous?
I mean, you get seats wherever you go.
Whenever I talk about this, I see there's like a really nice glim and glare that you have that,
Yeah.
yes, this is what I've achieved and I'm very
Yeah.
happy to talk about it and flaunt it.
One of the real perks of this, and which is you can see real time, is even if I don't make a reservation, if I just show up at some restaurant thinking maybe they'll have a seat or not, and they just go out of the way to give me. If they don't have a table, they'll make sure that I have one corner for myself or whatever. These small perks and privileges that I really enjoy being famous for.
One dish that you can never say no to.
Bun maska.
आपने कैरेमल
Oh,
कस्टर्ड तो
hello.
खाया ही नहीं है. That's
यार बातें भी इतनी
illegal.
दिलचस्प है कि खाना.
Vijay Varma's
Verdict.
favorite caramel custard.
Verdict.
I love caramel custard. My father loves caramel custard, so
It's so good.
You're
That-
happy.
That burnt caramel feeling.
you're happy, we're happy.
It's so good. It's lovely.
One emotion that is driving you right now.
Is to to communicate, to be able to express myself, to reach out. That's the emotion now. I want to be able to tell my story, get people to hear me, and get people to watch my show. Because I've spent 2 years doing this. It's a lot of work that I've put in, our team has put in. It matters to us a lot, and I just hope that people watch it and their opinion, you know, sar aakho pe acha bura jo bhi hai, but I want them to give it a chance.
You guys have to watch The Matka King. Should people binge watch it in one day? Yeah. Ruk ke.
Yeah, I've heard from other people that it's like a very extremely bingeable show, but I would love to hear what people have to say when they watch it.
Looking forward to it. Well, thank you so much, Vijay. It was lovely spending time with you.
Thank you so much.
Exploring the streets of Bombay. And we shall see you next time in Dubai.
Dubai?
Dubai.
Let's do this. Dubai
Yeah.
edition.
Okay, let's finish our dessert till then.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.